Before drones, inspection of bridges was inexpensive and leads to serious safety risks on the operators. This is the Bionic Sense visual self-driving system for bridge inspection, which can capture the data with minimum time and cost, including 3D reconstruction images, flight without GNSS signal, real-time flight information, real-time flight path planning, and deep fusion of VR and AR technology. So Bionic Sense drone can fly easily in the challenging tight spaces or where the traditional drones cannot get access to see everything. Any inspector can fly Bionic Sense drone professionally within few minutes to get the critical detail of deterioration, rust, and leak under the bridge very accurately and resolve the issues on timely manner.